Welcome back to Mystery Curtain, the channel where we dissect tech so you don't have to. In a moment, we'll take a hands-on look at the newest, evaluate it. The Gigabyte Gaming A16 with RTX 5050. Graphics arrives as a subtle evolution of the earlier RTX 4050 model, keeping much of the familiar design language while packing an upgrade that gamers have been waiting for. Built entirely from durable plastic, the chassis might not have the premium feel of aluminum, but it achieves good build quality and helps keep the weight at just 2.2 kilograms. Light enough to carry daily without strain. The lid features clean modern lines, while the underside is engineered for airflow, giving the laptop a gamer-centric but practical aesthetic. The most noticeable physical change lies on the C-side deck, where the keyboard and touchpad reside. The keyboard retains a solid typing experience, but gains a single-zone RGB backlight, allowing customization and adding personality to the otherwise minimal design. Above it, the webcam has been upgraded from 720p to a sharper 1080p unit with Windows Hello Face unlock, delivering both improved video quality and added security. Although many will still wish for a switch to a metal lid in future revisions, the current design is sturdy, lightweight, and distinctly gaming-focused. Under the hood, the A16 keeps the same Intel Core i5-13420H processor, an 8-core, 12-thread chip capable of handling demanding multitasking. Benchmarks in Cinebench R23 show 1,637 single-core and 11,686 multi-core points, while Geekbench 6 results of 2,222 single-core and 9,149 multi-core confirm consistent strength for both gaming and light creative workloads. The real star here is the GPU upgrade. The RTX 5050 with 8 GB of GDDR7 VRAM marks a leap forward from the RTX 4050, delivering enhanced efficiency and performance. In 3D Mark Time SPI it hits 9,285 points and 4,370 in Time SPI Extreme, showing its ability to handle modern AAA visuals. Geekbench 6 Compute returns 92,337 points, proving this GPU is just as useful for creative tasks like AI, rendering, or 3D work as it is for gaming. PCMark 10 reflects an overall balanced system with 6,222 points. Memory is generous with a pre-installed 16 GB DDR5 stick, leaving another slot free to expand up to 64 GB, making dual-channel upgrades highly recommended. Storage comes via 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, fast enough for snappy boot times and game loading, with room for 2 more M.2 slots allowing up to 4 TB expansion. In practice, the SSD performed smoothly when copying game files, though speeds fluctuated past 70 GB due to cache limitations, a common trait of mid-range drives. Gaming benchmarks tell the real story. In League of Legends at 1920 by 1200 with maximum settings, the A16 easily pushed 173 FPS, fully saturating the 165 Hz display, with CPU and GPU barely working at 30%. Valorant delivered an even more impressive 264 FPS, with temperatures never exceeding 66 C. Thanks to the WindForce cooling system. Moving to heavier titles, Wuthering Waves ran at 157 FPS on balanced settings with DLSS enabled, though occasional stutters from high RAM usage suggested upgrading to dual-channel memory for smoother results. PUBG, set to Ultra, averaged 110 FPS while keeping CPU and GPU temperatures below 82 C, proving the cooling solution's consistency. The most anticipated test, Black Myth Wukong, showcased the RTX 5050's muscle on low settings at 1080p with DLSS balancing performance. The A16 achieved an incredible 268 FPS, A remarkable figure for a brand new visually demanding AAA game. DLSS 4.0 on the RTX 50 series clearly plays a major role, allowing high frame rates while reducing GPU load. Thermals remain stable with CPU around 82°C and GPU well below 75°C even under extended load, though fan noise can get loud at peak cooling levels. Overall, the Gigabyte Gaming A16 RTX 5050 proves to be a well-rounded gaming laptop. While still using a plastic shell, its finish is neat, the WindForce cooling system efficient, and the hardware combination balanced for both competitive esports and graphically intense AAA games. The inclusion of the RTX 5050 makes it significantly stronger than its predecessor, delivering high FPS in demanding titles while keeping temperatures in check. It also supports future upgrades with dual-channel RAM and multiple SSD slots, extending its lifespan for gamers and creators alike. For those currently on older laptops with GTX 1650 or RTX 3050 GPUs, this is a meaningful upgrade that unlocks smooth performance in modern games. Students, professionals in creative fields, or competitive gamers looking for a blend of portability, power, and reasonable pricing will find the A16 RTX 5050 a very compelling choice.